Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Inkwell Hell on piano. We will begin by exploring the song's overall structure and key signature, which is typically C minor. Then, we will break down the main melodic themes and challenging rhythmic patterns. Finally, we will discuss dynamic control and articulation to bring your performance to life. This guide will help you master this exciting piece. The left hand provides the crucial rhythmic and harmonic foundation. Focus on mastering the walking bass line, often featuring eighth notes, to establish a solid groove. Practice the arpeggiated chords, ensuring smooth transitions between each. Maintaining a steady tempo is key, so use a metronome. Proper hand position and finger strength will enhance your control and endurance throughout the piece. The right hand carries the vibrant, syncopated melodies and riffs that define Inkwell Hell. Pay close attention to the fast 16th note passages, aiming for accuracy and clarity. Develop precise articulation, distinguishing clearly between staccato and legato sections. Effective coordination with the left hand's rhythm is paramount for a cohesive sound. Practice these sections slowly at first. To truly master Inkwell Hell, consistent and smart practice is essential. Begin by practicing slowly, gradually increasing the tempo only when comfortable. Isolate any difficult sections, focusing on them intensely before rejoining the full piece. Always use a metronome to refine your rhythmic accuracy. Listening to various recordings will also provide valuable stylistic inspiration for your performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.